Good morning, friends. My name is Prasanna Kumar Acharya. I am 58 years old. I am a chemical engineer by profession and I work in one of the biggest phosphatic fertilizer plant in India. I was deep in financial trouble, financial mess, and when I came across Amit sir since few months back, he offered me a program, a solution which will bring me out of debt. And I was little bit skeptical because so many consultants, so many people are there nowadays, and who is genuine and who is just con men, you can't read them by face. So I asked Amit sir lots of questions, and he answered each and every question very patiently. The best thing which I was satisfied that he offered me that he will be with me for 9 months from January to September, and within these 9 months he will handhold and guide me to bring me out of financial mess. This is what appealed me a lot, that he will be with me for 9 months and he will monitor my every action, every past problem, and how to solve them, how to come out of that mess, how to manage my finance. So everything in details he told me. Then I was attached to him along with so many other people. The best thing what happened to me that earlier I was very impatient, I was very helpless, and I was always thinking that somebody would hold my hand and guide me to come out of this financial mess. And as if God sent, Amit sir came, and that feeling of loneliness, that I am all alone in my fight, there is no one to support me and there is no one at the back of me to give me moral encouragement. First of all, that feeling went away. And at any time, now I don't feel that I am alone in my fight. At any time I can call him, he will counsel me how to solve that particular problem at that particular time. He will tell me. And second best thing happened to me that I got a lot of good friends. Those who are genuinely good people. Nowadays you don't find good people so often. So those who are genuinely good people, through Amit sir, I got introduced to lots of good people, and I think they are the treasure of my life. And then we started this morning miracle club, where we do 5 to 6 we do meditation, om chanting, motivational stories, and believe me, that makes my day. I am in a profession where the life is very hectic, and as well as I have a business also. So this 1 hour program makes my day, makes me prepared to face the day. And then he guided me what to do, how to do, and what will be its impact on my finance, on my overall goal achievement, on my overall target achievement, on my overall success. So I am very satisfied, and I am confident now that the problem which was with me, that is getting solved slowly, and I will come out of this problem within September 2021. And this thing is I can visualize this, that this is going to happen very soon. And the best thing about Amit sir is his true to himself. He is honest to the core. You will not find him that he is marketing. He is not a marketing man. He genuinely tries to help people. Generally, people, what do they do when they do have some product or some service they offer? They try to hard sell it. But Amit sir doesn't try to hard sell it. He genuinely tries to help people who are in trouble, and that is the best quality in Amit sir. And along with him, uh, his wife Rekha madam is also there. That is a bonus. That her expertise also, we get her expertise also, her counseling also. That is also a very she is also a very knowledgeable and very organized lady who guides us. So it's a wonderful journey. I urge everyone who does have any problem, especially any financial problem or like that, they should take the help of Amit sir, who will be, believe me, who will be able to help you come out of this problem, and he will explain you what is your net worth, and how in future years you are going to have a problem if you don't take up the stock, you don't take stock of the situation now. So I urge you to get attached with Amit sir and solve your problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.